Welcome to Rome Tech. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. We're diving into NordVPN today, found at nordvpn.com, and exploring what they offer for your online security and privacy needs. NordVPN is a popular virtual private network provider known for its extensive server network and robust security features. A VPN, or virtual private network, creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet, shielding your online activity from prying eyes. This encryption means your data is scrambled and unreadable to anyone intercepting it, making it much harder for hackers, internet service providers, or even governments to track what you do online. NordVPN boasts a massive network of servers located across the globe. This wide distribution allows you to connect to servers in different countries, effectively masking your true IP address and making it appear as though you're browsing from a different location. This is particularly useful for accessing geo-restricted content, like streaming services or websites that are blocked in certain regions. Imagine accessing your favorite shows and websites no matter where you are in the world. Beyond just bypassing geographic restrictions, NordVPN prioritizes your security. They employ robust encryption protocols, ensuring your data is protected from cyber threats. Features like a kill switch, which automatically cuts off your internet connection if the VPN drops, add an extra layer of security, preventing your real IP address from being exposed. This dedication to security makes NordVPN a valuable tool for anyone concerned about online privacy and safety. NordVPN offers various subscription plans to cater to different needs and budgets. You can choose a plan that fits your usage and the number of devices you want to protect. Their user-friendly interface makes it easy to set up and use, even for those new to VPNs. With intuitive apps for various operating systems and devices, NordVPN provides a seamless and secure online experience. Visiting nordvpn.com will give you a comprehensive overview of their features, pricing, and server locations. They offer detailed information about their security protocols and commitment to protecting your privacy. If you're looking to enhance your online security and unlock a world of content, exploring NordVPN at nordvpn.com is a great place to start. Remember to check out their website for the latest deals and offers.